In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get GitHub Copilot free. If you've been curious about trying AI code suggestions without committing to a paid plan, I'll walk you through the main ways to access it at no cost, along with practical tips so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start by checking for a free trial. Head to the GitHub Copilot page and sign in with your GitHub account. Once you're in, look for an option to start a free trial. Availability and length can vary, so read the details on the page before you confirm. After you activate it, I recommend visiting your GitHub billing or subscription settings to confirm the trial is active and to see the renewal date. Set a reminder a few days before it ends so you can decide whether to continue or cancel. Trials are a great way to evaluate how Copilot fits into your workflow without paying upfront. By the way, I've placed the official GitHub Copilot link right at the top of the description so you can get there quickly and safely. Use that link to avoid lookalike pages and make sure you're on the legitimate site. Next, if you're a student or an educator, you may qualify for free access. Apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack if you're enrolled at an accredited institution, or explore educator benefits if you teach. During the application, you might need to verify your academic status. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-ups. Once approved, Copilot can be enabled at no cost as long as your academic eligibility remains active. This route is ideal if you're learning to code or teaching and want consistent access without fees. Finally, be aware that some limited free access may be available at times. Depending on GitHub's current offerings, you might be able to use a subset of Copilot features without paying. This can change, so check the Copilot or pricing pages for the latest details. If limited access is available, it's a simple way to try basic functionality and see whether it helps with your day-to-day tasks. To recap, your main options are: use the free trial if it's offered on your account, apply through the Student Developer Pack or educator programs if you're eligible, and take advantage of any limited free access when it's available. Whichever path you choose, always review the terms on GitHub's site so you know what's included and when charges might start. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get started with GitHub Copilot for free.